So come on, Bryce, everybody else has had a fish hit. What's going on? Well, we have this giant fly on for giant fish. Maybe that we got to find a giant fish.
Maybe I'm waiting for the biggest one.
That's it. That's the plan. You got to weed out the little guys.
I'll let Stephan have them.
More straight up, Stephan. Don't, yeah, and more gently. More straight up and more gently. And little twitches.
I think you gotta have a hand on a rod.
More straight up. You're reaching back. You're reaching back. Anything more, Lee? Lee, you see any more? Any more fish? Keep it bent. You don't want to give him slack. You want to keep the rod tip with tension. Nice. Okay, lift him up a little. Slide him over here. That's a nice brook trout.
Thank you.
Just lift the rod tip up. If you just lift it up over my head, he'll slide right over here to me. Okay, give me slack. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. He's a good, I'd say 10, 11. So come on over here and let's take a look at him so you see what he looks like. He's
Yeah, they really blend in, huh?
okay, just lift the rod tip up now. A little wild brook trout. Beautiful. See, he has like stripes on his side. Those are called par markings.
Beautiful little fish.
Look at the red spots on him.
Yeah.
Isn't that something? Just point it over towards me and we'll swing him right over to the side. Oh, that's another nice one. Nice brook trout. Get your hand wet. Get your hand wet. Put your hand right under the fish.
Yeah.
And just put it under him.
Yeah.
Gently grab him. Don't squeeze him.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. He doesn't have any fins that are going to hurt you. It's not like a saltwater fish that's going to fin you. Just gently. Here's what it looks like. It's well inside his mouth.
Okay. And just pick him up.
Yeah, see, he's just laying there.
Yeah.
See how he's just relaxing. He says, oh, this is comfy. It's like an easy boy recliner.
Yeah.
Or lazy boy or whatever. So here, slide him. I'll hold the line. You slide your hand right down the line.
All right.
And he'll just lay right on your hand. Gently, just gently grip him.
Lee Dog, you're missing me holding a fish.
Okay, turn him sideways so I can see him. Nice.
A big sea?
Oh. Just keep your tip up. Keep pressure on them. Reel up about a foot of line. Oh, you got a nice rainbow.
Oh, he is heavy.
Pull him. I can't reach him. There. Woo! Now that's a big fish.
How big is that one?